Hi, my name is Dr. Gary Adams, and I'm a dentist at Maryland Sedation Dentist in Rockville, Maryland. And if you are looking for a sedation dentist near the Rockville, Maryland area, you have found us. And basically, what we do is we will do whatever level of sedation dentistry that is necessary to ensure that you are calm and comfortable throughout the procedure. What sedation dentistry will do for you is basically allow you to get into a comfortable state where you will not be aware of what is going on around you. And if you've been away from the dentist for a long time, like for example, if you haven't been to the dentist in 10 years, you will not only be scared, but you will likely have a lot of things that you need to have done. So rather than giving you 10 or 20 appointments and scaring you over 10 or 20 different occasions, we will figure out what level of sedation is necessary to get you calm and comfortable throughout the procedure. You will essentially not be aware of what's going on. We can have anywhere from a 1 to a 4-hour block of time where we can get, in all likelihood, most of your dental problems done while you are calm and comfortable and you really just have no idea. As far as you're concerned, you'll be getting some of the best sleep you've ever had, and you will wake up and all the dental problems will be gone. We offer everything from full IV sedation through lighter twilight sedation such as nitrous oxide, which is also known as laughing gas, and we do oral sedation. And really the trick is just to assess what your fears are. And I've been a sedation dentist in Rockville, Maryland for quite some time, and one of the things that separates our practice from a lot of the other sedation practices is that we do sedation dentistry for virtually any dental procedure that you need, and we will deliver whatever level of sedation that is necessary to keep you calm and comfortable throughout. For example, we do sedations for fillings and cavities. We do sedation for crowns, extractions, implants, even dental cleaning. Some of our patients are so fearful of the dentist due to past experiences that they require sedation for x-rays or even dental cleanings. And we see special needs patients. We see people who are generally scared of the dentist. We see people who have difficulty getting numb, people who have severe gag reflexes. I mean, every month I feel like I hear a new one as to why people need sedation dentistry. A lot of our patients need a lot of dental work done. They're fearful, they haven't been to the dentist in 10 years, and they're wondering what to expect at their sedation dental appointment. And basically what I will do is I'll sit you down, and every patient really is different, and I'll find out what it is that makes you scared of the dental office. For some people it's the noise, the sounds, the smells. You're just scared that it's going to hurt. You're scared you're not going to get numb. Special needs patients may just not even be able to understand what's going on, and they require sedation for that very reason. So I recommend you give us a call. Give me a call, come visit me. I will take a look at what you need and how long it'll take and what it'll cost. And if you require sedation, I will ensure you that I will take good care of you. We'll try not to scare you too much, and we'll make sure you stay comfortable throughout the procedure. Again, my name is Dr. Adams, and I'm a dentist at Maryland Sedation Dentist in Rockville, Maryland.